On behalf of Sinfana family, I, Sai Solanke, welcome you all to the digital celebration of Teachers' Day held in our prestigious Sinfana Public School, Mazalgaon, Bid, Maharashtra. This honorable day, celebrated as the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, himself a renowned educationist. I would like to thank all my teachers for being such a great influence in the lives of your students. You have always inspired us for achieving our goals. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam once said, "Teachers are the backbone of the country, the pillars upon which all the aspirations are converted into realities, and this will lead us to a bright future." You have played a very transformative role in every student's life. You have always been very supportive and encouraging, and will always be a big reason for our success in future. It is rightly said that education is not the filling of a pot, but the lighting of a fire. And this fire has been ignited in our minds by our teachers who consistently guide and mentor us for shaping our future. Thank you for all the efforts you have put in to bring out the best in us, which can never be repeated in mere words. We are so obliged to have teachers like you who would always guide us onto the right path. Unending thanks for all the knowledge you have given to us and showing us to the real world. You truly deserve this day. Thank you.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि.
गुरुल ब्रह्मा गुरुल विष्णु गुरुल देव महेश्वरा गुरुर साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुने नमः. Happy Teachers Day.
Hello everyone, I am Harshvardhan Kure. Today I am going to present a poem on school. School is cool. Oh, it is wonderful. Schools have rules to improve lazy fools. Teachers are loving with didis and sirs go so caring. School service is always good with mess feeding us healthy food. Schools have races once in a year. We love the races so we run like a deer. They have teachers with awesome features. School games are in sun. Anyway, we have endless fun. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day.
Teachers, we love you teachers, we love you teachers, we love you teachers. You are beautiful, beautiful, you are wonderful, wonderful, you are marvelous all the time. You are beautiful, beautiful, you are wonderful, wonderful, you are marvelous all the time. Guru Devo Bhava, Guru Devo Bhava, Guru Devo Bhava, Guru Devo Bhava.
Hello everyone, I am Anushri. Teachers take a hand, open the mind and touches the heart. In India, Teachers Day is celebrated every year on 5th of September to honor the contribution of teachers in our studies, society and country. Teachers Day is celebrated on the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Whether you call them a guru, a guide, a teacher, a mentor or an educator, they all mean the same. The teacher is only the one who plays an extremely important role in shaping our life and molding our personality. They are only the one who work selflessly for our betterment, not expecting anything in return. I would like to thank all my teachers who have taught me strive for excellence and become a better version in myself. On this auspicious occasion, I would like to thank all my teachers and appreciate their efforts and become my support pillars. Thank you, teachers. Happy Teachers Day. Be safe. Stay at home.
To all my teachers, my name is Sakshi. I am the student of class 10. Few lines to my teachers on this special day. Oh teachers, you have made a difference. For this, you have used all your experiences. You shaped our thoughts, changed our minds. You used the best method you could find to develop our personality and mold our mind. With your actions and words throughout history, you have changed the world, and it is not a mystery. Your involvement we see in all the things around, in discoveries, inventions, and theories you found. You have brought about changes and revolutions. We are thankful to you for providing solutions. Of all the people of world, you stand at the top. You will always remain in my heart and in my memory, and our prayers for you will never stop. Happy Teachers Day and thank you.
सूरज जैसे चमकेंगे देखे है साडी अखियां ने ए सपने अंबरां दे ए सपने अंबरां दे बूंद बूंद जोड़ेंगे पल पल दूर दूर बह जाएंगे फिर ना समंदरा दे फिर ना समंदरा दे ऐसे खड़े है जाना पड़े ना कम हमको तो ऐसी सिद्धते
A teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself, light the way for others. With this beautiful thought, I would like to start my speech. In India, Teachers' Day is celebrated annually on September 5th to mark the birthday of country's former president, scholar, philosopher, and Bharat Ratna awardee, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was born on this day in 1888. Teachers have always inspired and motivated their students, and are continuing to do so in this critical situation of COVID through online classes. It is a challenge for students, but I believe online classes are a bigger challenge for teachers than students. No one would have ever imagined that teaching could be taken out of the classroom and delivered to the homes of students. It has all been possible due to the efforts taken by teachers. But it is not as easy as it was earlier while teaching in classroom. Everyone was so well tuned in classroom style of teaching that these changes are adversely affecting the physical and mental health of both students and teachers. But teachers are trying to overcome every possible problem. They shift to a place with good network connection to ensure that their students do not get any hurdle while learning. They teach in new and innovative ways to make sure that their students do not engage in any other activity during online classes. They readily buy any new gadget without thinking of its cost. They do these things only to ensure that this pandemic doesn't put a pause on the education of their pupils. While they succeed in fulfilling their obligations as a teacher, they fail in doing so towards their family. And that is because they give us more time. So I would like to thank all my teachers for their efforts taken to give best quality education in such difficult times. You have proven that a teacher's purpose is not to create students in his own image, but to develop students who can create their own image. I am very grateful to have teachers like you.
We never know what is going to happen next, but we should try giving our best. Whatever we think is just a prediction. The real one is an entirely different situation. We were free to go anywhere. No concern of time when we all were together. That was the time When everything was fair, it was awesome being in the fresh air. We were just trying to get better. Barriers were never a matter. School time is the best one, full of happiness and endless fun. Precious time which cannot be forgotten, justified mistakes were made to be done. Life was just a heaven. This era was indeed an astonishing one. Something was stricken, an unusual thing happened which seemed like a peculiar sound. A new term was introduced, that was the lockdown. The only option is staying in our home. It is as disgraceful as a threatening stroke. All the satisfaction of going out is taken, we all are just heartbroken. We can neither meet our friends nor can we play with them. All the thoughts are combating in the head, remembering the time when we were marvelously safe. Though schools are closed, other lawful rules are imposed. Economic activities have been stopped, no one is allowed to open any shop. Playing on the ground has come to an end, we are terribly missing each of our friends. May this time come to an end, and then with friends we would get a lot of time to spend. It's truly a hard situation to deal with, but we shouldn't lose our hope. Let's get together and deal with this scope.
गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि.
I, Sheikh Masira, can say very proudly that I'm a Sinfonian. I've been studying for the last 8 years in Sindhafana Public School. I really dread the moment when I leave this school because the happiest moments of my life are spent here. Good teachers are the ones who teach their students to believe in themselves. They don't set limits for their students. They consistently challenge their students to do better. The teachers of such mindset are present in Sindhafana Public School. We all are grateful for our parents to give us life, but we all are privileged for our teachers to shape our character and shape our personality. When my parents admitted me in this school, I was a bit afraid and unwilling. But as I entered the school, the teachers held my hands wherever I needed. I was a little seed that needed protection, love, care, support and understanding. Indeed, all my teachers give all of it. As now I understand that now I am on the threshold of leaving the school, and I hope the teachers have realized that their hard work has borne fruit. Without teachers, there is no fruitful education. All I am is because of my teachers. I am nothing without them. All I wanted to say is a very happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers.
हाँ जिसने भी कल भी आज भी राह पर चले तो राहबर बने वही. हाँ जिसने भी कल भी आज भी राह पर चले तो राहबर बने वही. वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो मुझको मुझ में ढूंढा भी नहीं पहचान, नन्हे से परिंदे ने ऊंची भरी उड़ान, ऊंची भरी उड़ान, ऊंची भरी उड़ान। मुझको मुझ में ढूंढा भी नहीं पहचान, नन्हे से परिंदे ने ऊंची भरी उड़ान। दूर उस गगन में उड़ते फिर से गाते, तराने हम तुम्हारे ही गुनगुनाते। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्ही। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्ही। धूप में भी जैसे थे छाँव के तले, कांटों की चुभन भी मन को ना खले। धूप में भी जैसे थे छाँव के तले, कांटों की चुभन भी मन को ना खले। दिए किलो की तरह जो सदा जले, रोशनी से जिसके हर अंधेरा ढले। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्ही। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्ही। हाँ जिसने भी कल भी आज भी राह पर चले तो राहबर बने वही। हाँ जिसने भी कल भी आज भी राह पर चले तो राहबर बने वही। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्ही। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्ही।
इक्को हील दे नाल मैं कटिया एक साल वे, मैनू कदे तां लै जाया कर तू शॉपिंग माल वे। मेरे नाल दियां सब पार्लर सजदियां रहंदियां, हाय हाईलाइट करा दे मेरे काले वाल वे। वे कित्थों सजा तेरे लई सारे सूट पुराणिया, हाय पुराणिया। मैनू लहंगा ले दे महंगा जा मर जानिया। इन्ने पैसे दस तू कित्थे लेके जानिया। मैनू लहंगा ले दे महंगा जा मर जानिया। इन्ने पैसे दस तू कित्थे लेके जानिया। वे मर जानिया, वे मर जानिया।
Someone say the other day, oh, they are just teachers anyway. They laugh and play their day away. I was sad to say that you just don't see what being a teacher means to me. Sure, they laugh and play their day away because learning is fun and that's just their way. Teacher. There's nothing in this world that can define a teacher. Teacher, a multitasking educational rock star who lives to inspire and loves to encourage. You are the decisive element in the classroom. It's your personal approach that creates the climate. You possess a tremendous power to make a child's life joyous. You are a tool of motivation and an instrument of inspiration. Experts say that teaching is a work of assisting discovery, but I have found that it is a work of the heart. Teachers didn't only teach me words and history, but also the different pronunciations of my name. You see, good sir, ma'am, madam or miss, being just a teacher is much more than this. I dare you to take a closer look, for being a teacher doesn't come in a book. I would like to take this moment to thank some people heartily, my teachers. To the world, you may be a teacher, but to me, you are a star who taught me how to shine. To all the coordinators and my dearly beloved teachers, thank you for bringing out the best in me and helping me to bloom. I will never forget you. You gave me roots, wings, and you believed in me. If I keep thanking you all, then undoubtedly the Oxford Dictionary won't be enough. And it won't be wrong to say that it's not you that's lucky to be a part of SPS, but it's SPS that's lucky to have you all.
Our teachers are very kind and helpful to us. They are like our parents to all the children of Sindhapana Public School. Across the world, Teachers' Day is celebrated to honor our unsung heroes. Behind every successful person or teacher's contribution is significant and notable. I thank each and every teacher. No one can teach as well as you do. Happy Teachers' Day!